Hi everyone, this is Miss Vu again. I'm getting back to you this week about the assignment, about the topic of fashion. I'm going to go over with you the topic by going through the question that I have for you to practice on math-based, and there are questions that if you paid attention to my explanations, then you would understand and be able to do the assignment. So let's go question by question, and then you would understand better by following me my instruction. So question 1, this is you already practice this using the fashion models at the beginning when you just joined school. So the question 1 asks you which picture showed 2/4 of the fraction bar. 2/4 meaning 2 out of 4. So you need to have total 4 bars, right? 1, 2, 3, not. You need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is good. And then you need 2 bars, right? 2 in blue. So this is 1, 2. This seems to be good. This is not good because only total 3. This is 1, 2, 3 4 bars, but only 3 in blue. So you need 2 only, not 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar, total of 5. That's not good. So this is the correct answer, you see. And then you submit it. Oops, this is wrong. You submit it. That's correct. And then continue with question 2. We are going to represent the fraction 1/6, 1 out of 6 on a fraction bar diagram, right? So how many parts do we divide the bar up into? So how many total parts, right? So you need how many parts? Your 6, right? So you type your 6 parts, that how many you need. So now they divide into 6 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next question asks you which of the following represent 1 out of 6, 1/6 of the fraction bar. 1 out of 6. You need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you need 6 total. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this is 6. So and then 1 is in orange, so that is the 1. How many here do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, not 7. You need 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is total of 6, but how many is in orange? 2 out of 6. No, we need 1 out of 6. So the answer is B. And then you submit. And then question 2C asks you how big is the green part. This is the green, right? How big is the green part? This is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1 out of 6, right? Because they only ask for the green, the black one, the green. This is 1 green. Okay, you submit it. That is. Then question 3. Plot 1/2 on the number line. 1 out of 2, 1/2, right? So it should be here. So this is from here to here is 1, and then you need half of it, 1 out of 2. That means in the middle, and you submit. Yep. Question number 4. Okay. Which of the following shows that 1/2 of this flower have been selected? See, which one show 1/2? Okay, so how many in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 60, right? Total you count it would be 16. So 1/2 would be 1/2 of the 60 would be 8. So you need to have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is good because this shows half, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, not half. This is 1, 2, not half. So the first answer is the one, right? A is the answer. And then you submit. Remember 1/2. I want to emphasize it in 1/2, half of it. Okay, I want to go to question 6 now. State the denominator in the fraction 1/4. Denominator. The fraction always have the top and the bottom. The top is the denominator. So denominator is, the bottom is the denominator. The denominator is the bottom, which is 4. The top is the numerator. And then question 7. State the numerator. Numerator, again, the fraction has the top. The top is the numerator. And this one, the top is 1. So that is the numerator of the fraction. Let's go with question 8. What type of number is 4th out of 13? 4 13ths, right? 4 13ths. So this is a fraction, and then because the numerator is smaller than the denominator, right? It is a proper fraction. You have a proper fraction when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay? And then when we would go over the other type of fraction, and I can show you that, but let's go to the other type. 8, 9, and let's go to question 9. Which of the following is a mixed number? You have a mixed number when you have a number and a fraction. This is a mixed number. This is not a mixed number because you need a whole number, like number 2 is a whole number next to a fraction, right? This is not a mixed number. This is not a mixed number because it is a fraction, and then this is because the numerator is less than the denominator. This is a proper fraction, but I don't want to confuse you, but you should know that this is a mixed number because it has the whole number together with the fraction. So the answer is C. And then I go to number 10. Expressed 29 8 as a mixed number. So this is the one that you need to use the decimal calculator. Okay, you go there, you remember you say 29 divided by 8, right? So you got 3 out of 5 in this is the decimal, but you could want to convert it to fraction. You click on this, and it is 7/2, 7 out of 2, right? So you go back to my decimal, and then you put it 7/2. And then next question. It's not, oh sorry, that is the word I do. It's 29/8. 29/8, not 28/8. 29/8. So it would be 29/8 as a mixed number. Oops, I need to change it to a mixed number. This is not allow us to change to the mixed number. So, I forgot. I need to convert this to mixed number. But this is how you do it. Convert to decimal. This is the decimal, right? And it had to be 3.625, right? And the next one you are going to do is you have 3, right? And then you have 6, 2, 5. It would be out of 1,000. That would be 0. And then decimal, it would be 5/8. So that means it would be 3 and a fraction of 5, 3, and then you do 5 and divide it, okay, with this. So that would be the answer. Okay, I will show you next in the next video I will show you how more step on converting from improper fraction to mixed fraction, but now it's just 3 and 5/8, then that would be the answer. So it would be 3, and then you put in here, this is 5, 8, right, and this is, you have to put 3 in the top, in the front. Okay, so you submit it, and that's the answer. So it have 10 and it go to 11. Which of the following is a unit fraction? You have a unit fraction when unit fraction. Alright, if you don't know it, you go here. What is the unit fraction? A unit fraction has a 1 in the numerator, right? You need to have 1 in numerator. That means this one, because this fraction have 1 in the numerator, and you submit it. And then you go to question number 12. Express 6 and 7/8 as an improper fraction. Remember 6 and 7/8, right? 6, 7, 8. This one you need to go to the calculator, so you can clear on everything, right? So you have 6, and then you have 7, so you have 7, 8, and then you have to put a 6 in the 8, and then you convert it, right? It equals 55/8. Ooh. So is it 55? Oops, sorry, I put it wrong. 55 divided by 8, and then submit. Yep. And then the next question they wanted to do is 13. Fill the blank to find the equivalent fraction to 27. 27, right, equals 6 over what? Alright, so from 2 to 6, you see that is 2 times 3 is 6, right? So you have to do the same thing. 7 times 3 is 21, right? Because 7 times 3 is 21. So you can do like 7 times 3 like this, right? And then you submit, and then 7 times 3 is 21, and then you submit it. So they are equivalent fractions. And then the next one is 14. Fill in the blanks below with the improper fraction that are equivalent in the value of 3 and 2/7. Alright. So from mixed fraction to improper fraction, you see 3 to 7, right? So you put in so let me clear it. You have 2, 7, and then number 3, right? Make sure this is correct. 3, 2, 7, that's correct. And then that will be 23/7 as an improper fraction. So it will be 23/7 here, right? And then you know that 7 to 42 you multiply by 6, right? So here you have to do 23 multiplied by 6 to get the equivalent fraction, because 7 times 6 is 42. You submit it, right? Now you multiply 23 by 6. You need to use the calculator here, and then so 23 times 6 is 338. So you go back here, and then you put in the numerator, what is this? I forgot. 138. 138, and then you submit. That's it. 14, and then the next question I want to do it for you is question 18. Simplify 100 out of 35, writing the answer as a mixed number. So 100 over 35, right? Again, you need to go to decimal calculators. Again, it's 100, right, over 35. Make sure this is correct. 100 over 35. You put in the decimals calculator, and then you click on the calculator here, right? So how to put it in? It's 27. Yeah, you can do it first step with 20 over 7, right? You submit. Oh, not 27. That's my mistake. It should be 20. No, 27 over 7. Right, so now you have to do one more step. Convert to decimal. How to convert it to 20 out of 7, right? So you have it converted to decimal. It would be 8, 2, and this decimal, right? 2 and decimal. You can, so it would be 2 and some, right? So it would be 857142857. 857 divided by, you have to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 8. 1 3 6 9 number 0. 3 6 3 6 9, right? And then enter. There's no such numbers, right? So I'm going to explain it to you how to do this, right? So you have 100. This is more difficult. So I'm going to get a screen scratch, right? What is this? No, I want a new screen. I want to blow this, right? No. Okay, so 100 divided by 35. This is not the right way, but I'm going to go over with you. So if 20 divided by 7, you got 4, right? 4 times 7 is, no, 3 times 7 is, no, 2 times 7 is 14, correct? So you have 2 times 7 is 14, and then 20 minus 14 is 6, right? So it's have a fraction of, you have 2 here, and then you have a 6 out of 7. So that would be the answers. Alright, I will go over with you more practice, right? And then more step by step how to convert the improper fraction to a mixed one. Alright. Thank you for your attention, my students. I hope you find this video useful so that you could start to practice fraction, which is really very challenging topic in math. Okay, you take care, and I hope to get in touch with you and be able to see you soon. Bye bye now.